Hi, LogDog321 here. I have an important topic that a couple of you who are watching this video probably have. Some people decide that the Kirby Vacuum is not for them. And so, they try to cancel their contract, and it's a little bit more difficult than returning a normal purchase because you do have to sign a contract for it. Now, there are two ways to cancel a contract with your Kirby distributor. One, within 3 days of sale, you can take it back to them and they will cancel your contract. The best way to do this is not to do it over the phone. Best way to do it is to go down there with your Kirby and with everything they sold it to you. However, if you call them over the phone and ask for their address, they may not be as likely to give it to you. So what you gotta do, call them up and say you want their address so you can go down and purchase like some bags or some belts or something. They'll give it to you because you know who's gonna refuse a sale. So you go down there with everything, and you bring your contract, bring everything they gave that they sold you. Then they will return it. The second way is if the person who purchased it is 65 years of age or older. 65. Then Kirby has a golden ager policy where they will allow the person who is 65 years or older who purchased the vacuum to return it within 1 year of purchase. So that's a whole year. So what you got to do there is take it down there, and if they say no, tell them this qualifies under the golden ager policy. If they still say no, call the Kirby corporate. Just take it back home. Call Kirby corporate, and you'll find their number online. And just say, hey, just explain the situation to them that this falls under the golden ager policy. Golden ager policy. That's all you gotta say. And just tell them the story, how the person who's over 65 bought it, and then they will call the distributor, straighten everything out, and they'll get your refund all processed. And the one thing you do need to bring, you have to bring everything that they gave it to you. So if they gave it to you with extra bags, extra belts, you have to bring those in too. So make sure not to lose your stuff. If the person who bought it is under 65 years of age and it's after 3 days, they're kind of out of luck. You can always try eBay or Craigslist to get rid of it, but that's probably, you're not going to get back what you paid for it. So, sorry to tell you, but if you're under 65, it's greater than 3 days old, you're kind of out of luck. You can try calling your Kirby distributor, but most likely they're just going to say no. So yeah, I mean, I really recommend the Kirby, but for a couple people, it's just really not for them. So, thank you. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if I helped you out, please go down there and hit the like button. Thanks. Have a great day.